I'm Tom for Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Novostella LED blink floodlight. It's a smart floodlight, and I want to show what this is actually like at night. So you can see it's nighttime out now. This is the lamp itself. It's so bright it's even a little bit maybe hard to see in the video here. But this is my little LED flood lamp, and it's against my fence on top of my retaining wall here. And it's a 25 watt LED, which means it's about equivalent to a 200 watt traditional floodlight. And you can see it puts out quite a lot of light. So it's lighting up my back gate over here, the side of my house, keeping this area nice and lit all the way over to my dog over there. And I think this is great from a security standpoint. Kind of at dusk right now, and this is just totally lit up. And then at night, it's nice to know that this area is going to be nicely lit. So if anybody came in the gate here, there'd be, light shining out there. But there's some other cool stuff you can do too. So switch up the colors. So you can see here I've turned it to green, and it lights up the side of my house in this bright green color. So you can do these accent colors, which would be really cool, I think, for a holiday. If you got 3 of these, you could do like a red, white, and blue for Independence Day, or you could do green and red for Christmas, or whatever you want to do, or even use these for kind of a spooky scene for Halloween. And you can set these up. You can accent lighting for a themed party, whatever you want to do. You can dial in up to 16 million different colors, and you can even sync it to music in the app with Bluetooth. So really cool, and just kind of festive and fun to have this color light here, as well as just a security kind of white light for the backyard. Thank you to Novostella for sending this to me to check out. I really like the way it's working in my yard.